اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم السلام علیکم. Welcome to Urdu Master. Let's start our lesson. جیم جہاز، چے چاند، ہائے حوض، کھائے خرگوش، دال دوات، زال ذخیرہ، رے ریل، زے زنجیر، زائے اژدہا، سین سورج، شین شیر، سواد صراحی، زواد ضعیف. That's all for today. For handwriting, watch this video and try to write. Stay connected with us. Subscribe for more. In Urdu, you have a lot of chances to make your handwriting unique. You can write as you wish, but you must write it in clear letters so everybody can read it. What do you want to say and what do you want to write? If you have any suggestions or ideas to make our videos better or easy to understand, please tell us. And if you have any question, ask. I would be glad to answer. Support us for more. If you like our video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. And if you have any questions, comments, queries, suggestions or anything, post them in comments. Thanks for your support.